If you're considering Copper for managing your business finances, there are a few key things you need to know before making that decision. While it's an innovative solution with a unique approach, there are competitors out there that may offer different features. So let's break down what makes Copper stand out and what you should keep in mind. The first thing to know is that Copper stands out for its deep integration with Google Workspace. This seamless connection allows businesses that already use Google Apps to streamline their workflow without switching platforms. However, if you're not already in the Google ecosystem, you might find this feature less useful compared to apps that integrate with a broader range of tools. Next, Copper's main selling point is its CRM features. The app's ability to track communication and automate processes is a huge benefit, especially for small businesses. It automatically logs emails, meetings, and tasks, which saves a lot of time. But if you're more focused on advanced CRM features, you might find competitors like HubSpot offering more sophisticated options. The third thing to consider is Copper's user interface. It's known for being intuitive and easy to use, making it a great option for teams without extensive technical expertise. But, while it's simple, some users might find the customization options lacking compared to other apps in the market, which allow for more flexibility in setting up workflows. Another key point is Copper's pricing. While it offers a range of features, it's priced higher than some of its competitors. For small businesses, this can be a bit of a challenge. There are affordable alternatives that deliver similar functionality at a lower cost, which might make more sense depending on your budget. The fifth thing to know is Copper's strong customer support. The app provides a range of resources, including onboarding support and training. For businesses that need hands-on assistance, this can be a big benefit. On the flip side, other options in the market might provide quicker access to help without needing to go through multiple layers of support. When it comes to mobile app functionality, Copper does well, but it's not as polished as other finance apps. The experience may not be as smooth or feature-rich as some of its competitors, especially in the finance space where people expect more robust mobile features. Next, Copper offers project management tools that integrate well with its CRM. This is great for managing tasks and keeping teams on track. However, for those who need more advanced project management tools, you might find solutions like Monday.com more suitable. The seventh thing to know is that Copper's reporting features are solid, but not perfect. It allows businesses to track important metrics, but compared to competitors like Zoho or Salesforce, the reporting might feel a bit basic. For more complex reporting needs, you may want to explore other options. The eighth thing is that Copper focuses heavily on automation. This can help businesses save time, especially with repetitive tasks like follow-ups or data entry. But if you're looking for highly customizable automation features, you might find that apps like FreshBooks offer more flexibility in this area. Next, Copper's data security is top-notch. It uses enterprise-grade encryption, which is crucial for businesses handling sensitive information. While this is great for security, competitors like QuickBooks also offer strong security measures, so it's something to keep in mind when evaluating your options. One thing Copper excels at is its integration with Google Calendar and Google Contacts, making scheduling and managing contacts super easy. However, if you need a broader selection of integrations, apps like QuickBooks or Xero might provide more diverse options, especially for businesses using other types of software. Another thing to consider is the scalability of Copper. It's a great option for small to mid-sized businesses, but as your business grows, you might find that other platforms like Salesforce offer more tools and scalability to match your evolving needs. Lastly, Copper's focus on automation and streamlining business processes can save your team a lot of time, but it does require some setup and learning. If you're after a simpler solution or a more out-of-the-box experience, apps like FreshBooks might be easier to get started with. In conclusion, Copper is a solid choice for managing your business finances and customer relationships, especially if you're already using Google Workspace. It's a great tool, but might